Today we will be reviewing the Pakway portable misting fan. It comes with the fan and a USB charger. It can hold 35 milliliters of water in here. Just need to open this and fill it. And it has to be distilled water, so 100% pure. Anything else will make it rust, and that will be bad. No essential oils either. So, power button is over here. You turn it up first, and nothing's on, and you press, and you can see lights on now, but really nothing on any of the functions. So you press another power button, and there's the fan. And so we couldn't find anything else to test this on, but you can see it works. The fan's pretty good. Like, if you're traveling, you could hold it in your bag, and you can just use this whenever you're really hot. And there's also this mist. You can, like, maybe just spray yourself, like, if you're just really hot but you can't manage to make sweat. This is a really good way to cool off with water, especially since it's so little. You don't have to have a water bottle and waste it all pouring it on yourself. You can just have this, and pressing the power button again will activate both the fan and the vapor. And pressing it again will leave only the fan on, and it'll repeat this cycle for the entire time until you turn it off. And yeah, that is the Pakway portable misting fan.